Please.
Your Excellency, Mr. President, you may please recall that following the resignation to pursue political offices of the two nominees have been duly cleared by the Senate and they are here to take their oath of office. March 1966 in Ibadan, Oyo State. He holds a first-class degree in civil engineering, 2 master's degrees in business administration from Switzerland, and in public administration from Birmingham in the United Kingdom. He is a renowned fiscal, economic, and institutional reform strategist and stakeholder engagement expert with over 35 years of professional experience spread across the public and the private sectors. In his previous role as a senior partner and head of advisory services at KPMG in Africa, he led transformational initiatives, including the design and implementation of major presidential reforms, articulation and implementation of strategy for subnational governments and institutional transformation. He was also involved in fiscal policy restructuring at all levels of government. He's worked with Shell, NCC, NBET, NERC, NRS, BPE, and Odua Group, among others. He is an alumnus of Lagos Business School, Advanced Management Programs in Harvard Business School, and Harvard John Kennedy School of Government. He is a fellow of the Institute of Chartered Accountants of Nigeria, Chartered Institute of Taxation of Nigeria, and certified in the Government Enterprises IT. He is married to his lovely Mrs. Abimbola, seated here, and the marriage is blessed with 2 boys. May you be seated. Number 14, 1959, he holds a first-class degree from Ahmadu Bello University in 1981. He won in the process the Dean's Prize as the best student in that faculty. After his NYC in Lagos, he joined the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in 1982 and taught his class at the Foreign Service Academy in 1984. He also obtained a master's degree in international law and diplomacy from the University of Lagos with distinction in 1992. In his diplomatic career, Ambassador Shola Enikan-Olayi served in various capacities at home and abroad and rose to the position of Permanent Secretary of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs in August 2016 and retired 2017 after 35 years of active, meritorious, and unblemished record. While abroad, ex-Ambassador Enikan-Olayi served in many of Nigeria's diplomatic missions, notably Addis Ababa, Belgrade in Serbia, Ottawa, London, and lastly, he was the Nigerian head of mission in New Delhi, in India. He's traveled to over 53 countries across the globe. Ambassador Enikan-Olayi is a recipient of several merit awards, including the Presidential Civil Service Merit Award, the Presidential Distinguished Public Service Career Award, and the Distinguished Fellow of the National Defense College, among others. Ambassador Enikan-Olayi is married to his lovely wife, also seated here today, Mrs. Adoni Enikonlayo, and the union is blessed with 4 children. Your Excellency.
So help me God. Oath of office of the Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. I, Joseph Prof.Mgbeke, do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear true allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that as the Minister, I will discharge my duties to the best of my ability, faithfully and in accordance with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and the law, and always in the interest of the sovereignty, integrity, solidarity, well-being, and prosperity of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that I will exercise the authority vested in me as the Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, so as not to impede or prejudice the authority lawfully vested in the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and so as not to endanger the continuance of the federal government of Nigeria, that I will not allow my personal interest to influence my official conduct or my protect and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, that in all circumstances I will do right to all manner of people according to law, that I will not directly or indirectly communicate or reveal to any person any matter which shall be brought under my consideration or shall become known to me as the Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, except as may be required from the due discharge of my duties as Minister of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God.
Mr. President.
Thank you. You go forward. Good forward. Now, spouse. By your spouse.
Madam, this way.
Thank you.
Right.